ekyaleeta abaganda oga nti wafiira omuzira awo empigi waliwo we bayita embaale ti omuganda ga nti olangaze nga yakasibira embaale tagamba mbaale bugisu embaale awo waliwo ekika kyegundi wekibeera ekika kyendiga wekiva kakati awo waliwo akasozi kibuuka omumbaale weyabeeranga kati kibuuka omumbaale kibuuka omumbaale yalwaniranga mu bire mu bbanga mu kala akaddugavu kakati omukazi nga bwolaba mu bayibuli mu samusoni naani omukazi omuganda abanyolo ne bamuwa ssente n'abalagirira nti kibuuka alwaniramu akakala akaddugavu ako mwalwanira kati omunyolo namukuba akasaale n'agwa. So Chibuka did not die in a fierce battle. Chibuka was betrayed by his wife. Eyamusongolera ng'emmuli nannono. Kakati omuganda kyava gamba tewafiira omuzira tewaba. Chibuka would have died an expert at that time. Who could fly? N'alwanira mu bbanga. He was just killed by an arrow by a Munyolo man who corrupted his wife. Kakati ffe abaganda tukuga nti wafiira omuzira tewaba nsiitaano. This is how this explains what Nyakairima. How did Nyakairima die? Yes, yakwatako ku kkoni n'amukwatako ku gundi. Operation yani fist. How did Yoito Joko die? Alexander the Great, mubamugulamu ekibuga Alexandria. He died out of malaria.
Okay.
Yes. How did Yogole die? Lieutenant Colonel Ogole, the man who had commanding more than 30,000 troops to flush out Museveni from Luweero and for all. Kazini was killed by who? A girl. Ate ffe abaasoma ebyo ebya intelligence omuntu yenna okukuba wano kitegeeza emirundi ebiri. Kazini found a stronger man there, so he was running away from the battle. Omuntu akuba wano aba expert. But Kazini died how? This girl, ate oyo omukazi Dwalu kitegeeza Walumbe.
Nedwalu oyo okimanyi Dwalu nasoma naye primary. Twali mu P5 nga mufuna maaso.
Bayina ababa Dwalu kitegeeza Walumbe.
Nedwalu by the she was a bit stubborn in school.
Anti nkubulidde nti abazira kibuuka okuva lwe yakubwa akasaale abazira bonna bwe batyo bwe bafa.
Okay.
Abaganda bakuga nti wafiira omuzira. The Lion of Mogadishu afiiriddewa. So brave people don't die in fierce battles.
Okay.
This man qualifies.
The Lion of Mogadishu.
The Lion of Mogadishu. He qualifies to be a celebrated fighter because has not died in a fierce battle.
Okay.
Fierce people fighters don't die in fierce battles. Not at all. Era Katumba Wamala singa tewaliwo nsiitaano. What saved Katumba Wamala was nsiitaano by this man who fired back. Otherwise he was going to die like a goon. Savimbi cut off, divided Angola into two. Huambo, he had an headquarters. Huambo, he had ambassadors. Savimbi had an air force. Ngatazanya kunakamu. How did Savimbi meet his days? Savimbi yaddi abasirikali ba commandos ebi
bisatu.
N'abalagira bagende n'asigala n'omukazi omulogo ne beegadanga kozi bamutwakinga. He was killed by Angolan army, helpless, and buried in a shallow grave like a dog. So, celebrated people, the tough people, the brave people don't die in fierce battles. This man qualifies. Cut two. The second one. Me, I don't believe in your postmortems. Sibikirize. Kubanga all your institutions are dead. Nti politics kasitayingira mu professionalism nga amawulire gamu bwe gafaanana. Kiba kitegeeza nti society efudde. Nabagamba nti mu Uganda we are living in a strange situation. Tuyina kye tuyita expert knowledge. Nti omulamuzi tayinza kwawukana ne expert knowledge.
Okay.
Do you have this piece of academic qualifications? Whether he has an equivalent or not, we must bring in experts. Nabaganda okumanya ba experts bamaanyi nnyo. omusajja omuguzi w'ente tatambula na minzaani yekiikamu bwati neyekiikamu naga nti yakira ebi atakola loosi
ekituufu namukwano gwange agula mbuzi naye agikwatako obukwasi nagamba yakira abiri
yes
era ogenda mubiganga ekituufu eri awo
kakati abakazi b'omukyalo bano bamulerwa akuga nti oyazaala mu mboneka oba mu masumi emboneka ngaomwezi gulabise amasumi munzikiza that's what it means luganda lunyo oluluziba kakati in Uganda situation we don't refer to experts
okusinza kubeera tutambuliramu
kubanga twali badde tugamba cause of death nti the police pathologist would come yafa
ate omukulu Matinzo Kothochora yalagidde polisi
yafa
ate kugamba nti yafa
nebanda bawe boyfriend we yamusuula banywedde enjaga yabakoze eki Kayihura omuyi Kayihura namugamba ti buli lwokolanga n'abantu bw'oba honest n'okola n'abatali honest you lose. This is the mistake you made, Kayihura. When this woman died, Nebanda was found in Zambia. Kayihura called the opposition. Government is correct. Yojevu bali munsi obwa minister nomwa buli kintu kyonna nga nze yalwana ne bali munsi temwina ke mumpadde bali munsi yagamba nti Museveni yasse bali nasse kikubo ne Museveni be basse nebanda. I had to come in to defend you. Ono yoje umenye nabagambye nti royalism and commitment is a punishable offense in NRM.
Ena nibwetu byekola
royalism
gowawekifo
commitment are punishable under the NRM rules of policy.
NRM nkola ya mukwano gwo yebuli abadamu amusojja gwasembeza
bazikiza muliro kakati nkugamba nti what you see in the case of a dispute on the cause of death the police pathologist will come. In case you disagree with the police pathologist a family doctor comes. Why was the government trying to convince the opposition? Had this woman never attended the party, attended a meeting in Rwakitula? What was the interest of the government? Why was the government panicking over Nebanda's death? Yacheritira Kayihura nti nabali bajje bwe bajja the police pathologist in Kenya bwe bakola regime zizita to kill evidence. Kakati Kenya ouko bwe yafa police pathologist bwe yajja yagamba he committed suicide atende yeyocha bali bamusse bamwitanga olumbe yadduka bali bamwasiza omutwe kati mu Uganda police pathologist takola. Then we get case ya mutabani wa Kaka dokita omulamuzi n'agoba obujulizi bwa Webutabika. Webutabika yali agamba this man was insane. The boy was insane. Dokita n'amugamba omulamuzi n'amugamba nti tulabe chronological events nekiddayo n'engalabi yakyo. Saka the fool, saka the idiot from Butabika, because this is expert knowledge. How this man would have been sacked from Butabika because he's an idiot. How can a judge dismiss the evidence over a gundi, a castric doctor, amanye ebyekiralu nekisikolayo n'entu yakyo nga kiri decent? You were there illegally. Bali kugobi bugwe bali kubye ne bakutta olututa institutions
zifolo
zifa yes kati mu Uganda temuli mu institution n'ogamba omusajja atambuza omulema n'omusanga nga bamuhangize normally bw'osiba wano ofuna element ezifulumira mu lubuto yali badde abaganda bakuyita kwenyaga yenyaga omuggo gwe guliwa. Did you bring it? Kyava mulago n'entwe yakyo n'entwe paid up fools kyava mulago mbono yetuze. Did you bring it? Why was the man resisting? Kyava mulago n'entwe yakyo n'entwe. Kakati Uganda's institutions are killed in order kubanga bano ba mafia bagezi. So I don't expect anything. Like I don't believe in your post-mortem institutions.
What do you believe in?
Mwazita. Ati mwazita. Kakati nezija ku conclusion. This man, ayina ebintu bisatu. he might have committed suicide.
General Cage?
Yes.
Why? Msajja ngwacha committed suicide.
Let me tell you.
Pressure hii jabadde ine mtusa.
Me, I went through it. That's why I will never forgive these boys. Bankuba emyezi 6 nga bankuba mukedde buli bwe tuli kisinkana ne Kabusenga oba kulubya obeera w'omulambo. Museveni n'atuyita n'abaana abo abatannaba kujja nga bali w'omulambo. I was going to die. Program ozijjeko gwe mutwani wakajiji gwe gwejjako program zange. Tusikana mu lifuti omutattiramu munne. Because you don't know, these people have never gone through it. What happens? Are you a human being or not? Omusajja Katumba Wamala yayimba nti Seruganda zizinga bagoba omusajja mu kwaya nti ayimba bubi. He died. To be subjected to psychological effect. Even if God sends here, Angel Gabriel, to reconcile me n'abaana bano tekisoboka. I just chase even if God sends my father, tetusobola ku reconciling. The psychology effect I went through. Bokedde nankuba bakubye bayise nnyina bamukebera omutwe mange gwe bali bokyolo okubeera mmwe ayo human being zimu kakati nze kankubuulire oyo omusajja waliwo investigations against Ugandan soldiers in Somalia. Yes. Nti Uganda our soldiers fell into an ambush ate bo bakuba ba farmers. 2, if you saw the president wondering why these suspects are killed and mentioned in the case and they were involved, it has a psychological impact on you. Nabaga singa Museveni tiyayamba gundi kadaga singa mufu. Singa kadaga mufu. Nabaga nakyobe ndaba gye mulabyemu yeetaaga akomebwa mu kibuga abantu nga bamiri kyambadde bani bamucomforting. I want to tell you, this is why Europeans do. When Europeans talk about councillors, omwana wange ye yaggulira banne buddo nga yadetectinga omuliro teyalimu okusoma nga buli wagenda kusomera aloota nga bunne bumuyita yatasomye but she has compensated herself ina discipline z'amaanyi nyayinaki yekolede amanye ebya computer ebyo byammwe ebyo gundi is an expert yaddamu ebyo naye okusoma kwagaana kubanze nayitamu yalaba banne nga bakutta omuliro buli kaseera lwagenda kusinga kakati this a psychologist will tell you this man has been used to praises. This is the first time when the president talked about criticizing the system. Ate ye bamukola bubi. This man was nabaganti mu psychology. When a soldier kills a person, I can tell. And when a lawyer celebrated the criminal lawyer like Kabega, what omuntu nkitegeera. This man, the lawyer, knows the ingredients which courts use to determine a case. The case. Kakati ono Lokechi, ye is a soldier. Soldiers are not in the habit of burying. Yeah. Soldiers, out of even their terminology, missing you were dead, but not yet confirmed. Out of action. Yes. Kakati when he was taken to the police, he did not have an orientation transition from here to here. This is why he comes up and takes responsibility when these suspects, General Katumba suspects, are killed. He takes the responsibility. Was he there? Yaliyo. The people on the ground, where did he get instruction to eliminate them? Nabaga nekunanta pabuchali. Kakati when he knows, it's not like Olweru. Olweru teyasoma. Yeah, we are. He took back again academies. But the way Aleru conducts himself is not the way this has been conducting himself. Yeah, but Nabagamba, do you see Western Army officers fighting people in their areas over markets, over petty business? Is in Muganda. In Muganda fights Obutalaba. Why? The only people you can subdue, we bari Mubutali. We bari Mugundi Mosingibe. A Munyankole officer is educated. He can go on a buying a weapon buying a gun. Nagula tanka nali yako send. Ono go batatwala. Yata sajjaliye. Bakawaga babira mu taxi babira mu butale babira luda. Do you see Munyankole officer fighting off a market?
No.
Yes. Kakati ono olweru mwangu nti ye international community oba basiba oba bakola ki to where everybody was shining away including Katumba Wamala for him we say nashambulia yetamanyi international ki
ye alisonga mbele.
He was only saved why when the ICC investigated the attack on Mumberezi Palace have a report. They said they exonerated the UPDF. They said there were armed people inside the palace. Otherwise, the MPs, including Kijabani, they were agitating for ICC to institute a local tribunal. Oh, if a local tribunal fails, but the preliminary investigations found out that they were armed people. So UPDF responded in self-defense. But when this man, under the prevailing conditions, he knows, he's educated, he was aware that I can spend 28 years in prison. Over violation of what?
Human rights.
2, if the president is going to institute an internal tribunal, I will surrender, I will leave my job.
Okay.
Yes, I have to surrender my job or to face a court martial. This man knew. Inti, olaba tumukunde court martial. Olaba tunyefunza court martial. Ata alabika yikula. Kakati koloza ndiye awulira mukama wenga ayogera. He might have singa ffe abasoma psychology. Singa ogenda mu family y'omusajja oyo. N'obabuuza nga si bya mawulire. These people can tell you nti abadde depressed for some time. Even saying it, he collapsed. Yes. How many times had he collapsed? He maybe was absent-minded.
Abadamaze okuvuga wabadde agobera ensonga y'omukulu ono General Katumba Wamala. Yasabako livu n'abadde kati badde nga weeks 2 3 ng'akolera waka. Emu yagikolera waka ng'agikolera waka.
Anti kakati ye yagenda n'agwa mu kituli ti abasajja bano bagezi nnyo. Why do you take responsibility as if you were field commander? Are you a platoon commander?